Here's a 2016 Audi A3. This luxury compact sedan leaves you wanting for nothing. From impressive power to luxurious features to efficiency, this A3 does it all. It comes with great features you'll love. Streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, power windows, leather bucket seats, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Road and Track points out, inside the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call, click, or stop into Napleton's Volkswagen of Orlando today. We're conveniently located at 12700 East Colonial Drive in sunny Orlando. We look forward to serving you.